on the panel, and we're looking forward to learn a lot from your side. Um, so moving to our next, our respected panelist, Mr. Jamil. Jamil Saab, your introduction, please.
Assalamu alaikum ji. Basically I am working in SSGC as a group head IT. We have some subsidiaries as well. So I look after all the functions within SSGC and our sister concerns. So by profession I am an engineer, and being the head of IT, we have quite a few opportunities in artificial intelligence. And as you know, it's also need of the time. So we also keep on exploring that what we can do in AI, and in fact we have built some prototypes for that as well.
Glad to hear that, and it is indeed our pleasure to have you, sir, on the panel. But for the greater benefit, because our audience is all around from the globe, and most of the people who are from watching us from outside Pakistan may not know what is SSG. If you kindly tell us a bit more about this.
Okay. In fact, SSGC is Swiss Southern Gas Company. We
Hmm.
are one of the largest gas transmission and distribution company in Pakistan, and we are operating in Sindh and Balochistan. Almost 60 to 65% of the geographical area of Pakistan is served by SSGC, and we provision the customers with the gas at their doorsteps. And for that we need a lot of technology, and in that technology we need a lot of means compressors, and then communication channels to control, to monitor all the stuff, the gas contents through the lines. So for that we have a very big infrastructure of telecom as well as IT. So I look after the IT part of SSGC, including the business applications, the financial engines, the billing agent infrastructure, including connectivity, compute, primary data center, and the disaster recovery site.
Very interesting, very interesting, and I believe that the SSG is, I think, one of the largest natural gas distributor currently operating in the South Asia. I think there's no other company more bigger than SSG, it seems, and the technology and the distribution network has been same, being operated effectively from, I think, more than 3 decades now, if I'm not wrong.
It's almost more than 5 decades,
So,
and the
so
customer base of more than, we are covering more than 3.2 million customers in SSGC.
that's why there was a very need to have this SSG properly introduced to our audience, because there are a lot of big names currently operating in Pakistan, which are originally Pakistani owned companies and been operating from more than a couple of decades, but not been properly, marketed in the international forums. But having that, this said, like a very warm welcome, Jamil Saab, to you on the panel, and uh, now we'll be entering into our discussion phase, where we'll start our discussion about the topic. We're considering the current technological evolution today. We have observed exponential growth and pace, and space in technological adoption as well. New technologies are coming, and organizations are facing a lot of challenges. And